In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use noise reduction in DaVinci Resolve. Now, DaVinci Resolve is a powerful tool widely used for video editing, known for its robust color grading capabilities. But one of its underrated features is Fairlight, a section dedicated to audio post-production. So let's get into it and make your videos sound as good as they look. First, you'll want to open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. If you're not familiar with it yet, DaVinci Resolve offers a free version which provides a wide range of features, making it accessible for both professionals and beginners. After you've launched the program, navigate over to the Fairlight section, a fantastic space within DaVinci Resolve tailored for polishing your audio tracks to perfection. Once you're in Fairlight, it's time to choose the audio track you want to improve. Typically, your tracks will be labeled as A1, A2, and so on. Identifying the correct track is essential, as any enhancements you make will be applied specifically to this selection. If you're unsure about which track to select, just give each one a quick listen to ensure you're working with the right audio. With your audio track selected, focus your attention on the right side where you will spot a small plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding effects and enhancements to your audio track. Click on it, and a drop-down menu with several options will appear. What you're looking for here is the Restoration category. As the name suggests, restoration tools are designed to clean up your audio, removing unwanted noises and making your dialogue or music sound clear and professional. Within the restoration options, select Noise Reduction. This is a powerful tool that will help you get rid of background noises that can sometimes distract your audience from the main audio content. The noise reduction process works by analyzing your audio track and identifying patterns of noise that can be filtered out to highlight the important sounds like voices or music. Once you've applied noise reduction, you have essentially completed the task. It's that straightforward. However, it's always a great idea to play back your audio and ensure that the noise reduction is working as intended. You might need to adjust the reduction parameters slightly to balance clarity with natural sound quality. And that's how you can enhance the quality of your videos by using the noise reduction feature in DaVinci Resolve's Fairlight section. This simple trick can make a big difference in the professionalism and overall impact of your video projects. Remember, great audio quality can significantly elevate your content, keeping your audience engaged and returning for more. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to explore more of what DaVinci Resolve can do, and until next time, keep creating.